The global fresh pasta salad industry was valued at over $8 billion in 2024 and is expected to grow by over 6 to 8% annually through the year 2032. This growth can be attributed to convenience, greater varieties, hassle-free meals, and ease of consumption. Hi, I'm Bill Zittel, President here at Lyco Manufacturing. We are shipping another cooking and cooling solution for the ready-to-eat pasta salad industry, which is ideal for various pastas such as macaroni, bow ties, rotini, and spirals. This line consists of the CleanFlow cooker and CleanFlow cooler, and it is set up for low-risk, high-care facilities. A transfer flume conveys the product from the low-risk room through a wall into the high-care room. CleanFlow was designed in 2006 with over 100 systems running globally. It was designed for reduced sanitation cleaning for the ready-to-eat and prepared meal processor that requires quick changeovers. This allows for processors to be able to run multiple products in a day. I'd like to point out a few key benefits of this design. Higher recovery. Our patented HydroFlow agitation gently handles and helps eliminate sticking and clumping losses. It handles each particle of food separately, not in one dense mass. It also produces 100% uniform cooking and cooling, which eliminates over or undercooking in all food varieties. Time and time again, customers are seeing a 10 to 15% increase with higher recovery. Sanitary design. CleanFlow is the most sanitary designed blancher cooker cooler in the food industry. It's 95% self-cleaning, so the internal operational surfaces are cleaned in minutes, not hours. The basket resides in the 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock position during production. For sanitation or product changeovers, the basket rotates 360 degrees. CIP spray balls and nozzles clean while the basket rotates for cleaning. The system has its own CIP pump and basket filter integrated right into the design. All CleanFlows have a sump which reduces water and chemicals needed for cleaning. Reduced labor, improved quality, and guaranteeing a repeatable process. Lyco's automated control system minimizes labor, increases efficiency, improves product quality and consistency, and can reduce your energy costs. Lyco's standard control systems are user-friendly and use Allen Bradley PLCs, HMIs, and VFDs. Reduced water and operating costs while meeting sustainable goals. Our automated makeup water system uses precise water level controls, flow meters, and automated valves. This allows the user to set not only the exact water level, but also a specific makeup water flow rate and maintain it, while eliminating excess water going to waste. So we invite you to visit Lyco's 10,000 square foot lab and schedule a time to run your products in our state-of-the-art facility. Please call our office at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.